হ্যালো দর্শক, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমি কানিজ আকসার বলছি। ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে আমি আপনাদের সামনে আরেকটি ভিন্ন ধরনের ভিডিও নিয়ে আসলাম। আজকে আমি কিছু বলবো না, আজকে আমার ছেলে আপনাদের সাথে স্যামসাং গ্যালাক্সি S10 আনবক্স করে দেখাবে। আর আমি এই মোবাইলটি কিনেছিলাম 26 ডিসেম্বর। ইউকেতে সবচেয়ে বড় একটা সেল, সেই সেলে বক্সিং ডেটে আমি এই মোবাইলটি কিনেছিলাম। সে স্যামসাং গ্যালাক্সি S10 এর সব কিছু নিয়ে আপনাদের সঙ্গে ডিটেলস বলবে। কিছু শুনুন তাহলে তার কথা। আর আমার ছেলের যদি এখানে কোনো ভুল হয়ে থাকে তাহলে প্লিজ আপনারা সবাই ক্ষমা সুন্দর দৃষ্টিতে দেখবেন। আর আমার এই ভিডিওগুলো যদি আপনাদের কাছে ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে প্লিজ আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব, লাইক, কমেন্ট করতে ভুলবেন না। পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতেও ভুলবেন না। পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করলে আমি যখন যে কোনো কন্টেন্ট আপলোড করি ইউটিউবে, সেই নোটিফিকেশন আপনার মোবাইলে সবার আগে চলে যাবে। আপনি সেই ভিডিও সবার আগে দেখতে পারবেন। আজ তাহলে এই পর্যন্তই। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।
Hello everybody and welcome to my mom's channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Samsung S10, which is the latest phone that Samsung has released, which was released in February 2019. This is celebrating the 10 years anniversary of the success of the company, and today we're going to be unboxing it. So we bought this phone because we currently record on a Samsung A10 and I don't really like the camera quality on it, and we bought the S10 from Boxing Day. And the sales were really good, so why not buy this phone and have very good camera qualities for my mom's channel. So bought this from Qualcomm warehouse and let's go on with it. Really like the design of the box. Nice cardboard finish with hot foil blocking and everything. Really like it. Phone just comes off. Here we have the phone, hole punch camera. Here we got it, and I really like the finish at the back. It's a silver, but it has a tint to it, so when light reflects it, it's like almost like a rainbow color to it. So the phone is here. We're just gonna turn it on. Actually, before I turn it on, let's go through what comes in the box. So standard UK power brick, standard traditional USB to USB Type-C. Well, this comes in handy for me. AKG tuned headphones. Really like these. My dad used to have them for his S8 and really good noise blocking. And I really like the microphone quality on this phone, so win for that. And what's this? Oh, it's just a charging cable. I thought it was something else. Say for example you have your old phone and you still have those chargers, you can still plug them in here and charge them. Always good to have those. Here we have, oops. What's this? User guide, bedtime stories. And that's the pin to get the SIM tray out and the micro SD card tray out. So the box is out of the way and we're gonna have the phone, the real play of the show. Let's just turn it on. So here we have the phone. Let's see first impressions. I've never tested this. Really like the display of it. Yeah, it's very nice display, and also I've noticed even if I turn it on and I just look at it, it just turns on automatically. Really like that feature. I mean, I did turn it on before and got all the setup done and everything. So not them knockoff Chinese phones that you only whenever you turn it on, you just have the phone ready to go, which is always weird. So first impressions, I really like it. Very sleek design. I'm just gonna run through the specs of this phone. This phone packs a 1440 by 340p 6.1 inch display. It has Dynamic AMOLED, which is the best of the best. It has really sharp image quality, and also it has already got a blue light filter on it, which has, at least I think it's 40% reduction of blue light, which is really good for your eyes, I guess. And while I'm going through the specs, I'll just download CPU-Z so we can look through the CPU specs in detail from this phone. So on about the camera, we have a triple camera setup at the back. Two 12 megapixels and one 16 megapixel for the ultra wide, and I really like the ultra wide. We're gonna test it out later. We're gonna have a raw footage of it. I'm gonna be recording the Samsung A10, the phone that I'm currently recording this phone with. So the battery, it has a 3400 milliamp Li-ion battery, lithium ion. I mean, it's not the greatest, it can be room for improvement, but it's alright, I guess. So this was launched in February 2019, and it's currently, the time I'm recording this video, December 2019. And even to today's standards, I mean, it's not very long, it's still a really good phone. I've heard so many positive reviews about it. And we're just gonna go to CPU-Z, which shows all the details. So here we have a Samsung Exynos 9820 with the octa-core, clocking at 273 GHz. Really good speeds, really good for basic tasks and also playing games, editing videos, whatever you want to use it to. Holds really good to the standards. So talking about the aesthetics of the phone, it has a glass back with aluminium frame. Again, I really like the silver rainbow reflectiveness of it. I don't think it's going to break easily as it has a Gorilla Glass 6 on it, or 5, I can't remember for sure. Really good resistance of it, won't scratch easily. Also later on we're going to have screen protector and all that business. So just going to go through video playback and camera quality. I'm going to touch on it after, so I'll just go through the video playback and see how it is. So now we're gonna look at video playback and sound quality on this phone. I got my mom's channel whipped up on YouTube here and just gonna check a video. Firstly, we're gonna go at sound quality, then we're gonna go at video playback. So you got the video here, my mom's latest video, and let's see the sound quality.
আমি কানিজ আকসার বলছি, welcome to my channel.
I mean, I guess it's not really bad. I've heard even worse than this, to be honest, but it's really good. It has bass on it, really it has lots of clarity on it. And let's check the video playback now. So here we have a 4K video set up on the phone, and I mean, I don't know how well it's going to be looking at on the A10, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, on first impressions, I really like it. It's really sharp image quality, really vibrant colors. It's almost not doing too much, but it's keeping the minimal sense of it as well. So I guess there is to that. And now we're going to be moving on to the camera quality, and I'm going to be recording the A10 on it, and let's see how it is. Here we are recording on the Samsung S10, and we have the normal video settings and everything. I didn't go into the details and everything, I'm going to go after. On first impressions, it's okay, I guess. I mean, the lighting in this room ain't the greatest, but I would say it's okay. So right now I'm doing the live focus video, and on first impressions is way better than the before one. It's very vibrant, it has high detail. and I'm gonna be playing around with the settings and you'll see how it looks. So here we have it, the phone as a whole. It was not the best of the reviews, my first video I've ever made all by myself. So if I do make any mistakes in here, I'm really sorry. And at the end, I would also like to add at the end that when we are buying it, there was an offer that we're gonna get a Samsung Galaxy Watch Active at the same time. It was a promotion from Samsung. I did the online form and everything, so when we're gonna have that, I'll be sure to make a unboxing video of that too. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on notifications. And I will see you guys next time.